Well, hey there everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. So in today's video I did some good old buttermilk biscuits for you. Now I'd done a video on these a long time ago, but it was pretty bad and I didn't have any audio in it and didn't really know how to do some audio voiceover stuff, so I wanted to do it again for you. But it's pretty super simple. There's just 3 ingredients for you: your flour, your butter, and your buttermilk, and boom, that's pretty much all there is to it for my biscuits. And I always enjoy it when I make biscuits because I get to think of my granny and my mama D, because they always made the best biscuits you could eat. So it's fun time making them, get to think of them. So I just start out with my flour here, and I always use self-rising flour. That way it cuts out the steps of your baking powder and your salt and all that stuff. So it's just 2 cups of self-rising flour, and I always sift my flour just to liven it up and to keep my biscuits lighter too. So once I got it sifted, I'll start adding in my buttermilk, and I used 1.25 cups of buttermilk. You can just see a cup there, but I added in 1/4 extra. And once I've got it added in, it's the good old butter time to add in butter, because butter makes stuff delicious and wonderful and better. So I always freeze my butter too to keep it good and cold. And then once I got it, I'll cut it into small little cubes and mix it throughout the dough. And you can see the dough's pretty sticky there. That's how it's going to be. You'll see it come away from the sides of the bowl good. And I always just dust the top of my dough there, and then I use my granny's trick of the towel, so that way it don't have much as a mess and cleanup's easier. And flour the towel a little bit, work the dough just maybe once or twice, pat it out in about 1 inch size, and then cut out your biscuits. And I usually get about 6 to 8, just depending on what size cutter you use, and of course more butter had to go on it. And I run my oven at 425 degrees. And I can see the butter there. I just brush the tops of them that way to help to have more of that butter flavor and to get a good browning on the top of them. And I bake them at 425 for around 20-25 minutes, and then turn it on broil for a little bit just to brown the top and let that butter do its job even more. And there you go, boom. Good old buttermilk biscuits, just super easy, 3 ingredients, and there you go. Got your good old breakfast for in the morning. And of course, if you got biscuits, you're gonna have to make some gravy. So I figured I'd make a little gravy too, either sawmill or chocolate gravy if you're from the South. Is always good to go on a good old buttermilk biscuit. But anyways, that's my recipe for them. Super easy. Y'all make them. I hope you enjoy them. Y'all please like, share, and subscribe if you want to. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.